Hello guys, today we are going to learn how to install the Eclipse IDE. So let's start. Okay, type here Eclipse and then click on the first one website. Okay, then scroll down a little bit. Okay, click on the download. Now the first one version x60 86 64. This was the mostly used for the Intel softwares. You can check here your laptop. This is mostly version. I have an Intel, then that's why I will recommended the first one. Click on it and then click on download. Okay, here we go. Click on downloads and there we go. Just wait, it will take some time. Now for the web applications, we are mostly download the second one. Here we go. Eclipse IDE for the enterprise Java web developer. So we will click on here, and here is the path given over there. Click on install, and then accept now. Just wait, it will take few minutes. Okay, so now click on launch. Just wait for 2 to 3 minutes. Again, click on launch. Okay, so here is the first layout, first screen. So we will click on the first one. Now wait, type here the class name should be the demo or anything, you can keep it the same. RC setup and Java. Okay. Now we will create the one class to check. We will change the path of the project. Click on build path. Okay, so now we will going to make the path GRA. Double click on GRE and by default is JTK 20. Okay, click on next and apply and then apply and close. Okay, let's see. Oh, sorry. Now right click on this and then run application. Here is you can see the output of the code. Thanks for watching my video.